How to use WhatsApp message edit feature. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now open a chat, write your message and send it. To edit this message, tap and hold on this message. It will be marked. Then at the top, tap on three dots. You can see edit option here. Tap on it. Now edit your message. When you are done, tap on check mark. If you edit any message, edited term will be shown under the message, so the receiver can see that the message was edited. Keep in mind, you can only edit messages within 15 minutes after sending. You can edit a message multiple times. Let's check an older message. See, no edit option available for this message. And that's it. This is how you can use WhatsApp message edit feature. If this helped you, follow for more quick WhatsApp tips.